oftentimes you might see a tree that is hollow and think that it's hazardous, but what that is cavity wood. And this is the beginnings of cavity wood here, where you've got what probably was a farmyard injury, maybe a piece of equipment bumped this 25, 30 years ago, and trees don't heal. They actually just compartmentalize decay. They compartmentalize their problems, and oftentimes those problems end up rotting out into a hollow. If this tree did survive to be, say, another 100 years or 50 years, this might be excellent raccoon habitat. Now, the other thing to think about is as downwood's also important. As standing wood, downwood is also important, and this sort of hollow would continue. We're going to be using these logs in our play areas for the children to gain a little bit more gross motor skills as they monkey around this, like primates.